Hello, my name is Damon Williams, and I'm an attorney with the law firm of Zoll Kranz in Toledo, Ohio. Most attorneys will tell you what to do after an accident. Here are some things you should never do after an accident. Number one, do not admit fault. You are not an accident expert and you do not possess all of the necessary facts. Allow the police and first responders to dictate and take down all necessary information, and allow your attorney to go through the facts with you. Don't leave the scene without an accident report. Accident reports and police reports detail what has happened at the scene and are often necessary in concluding your accident case. If you are unable to secure a police or accident report at the scene, make sure that you inquire as to when and how you can gather those documents. Don't post on social media. Insurance companies and defense attorneys often review social media. They look for posts, photos, anything that can be used to discredit your story or discredit your injuries. Don't talk about the accident with the other driver. Exchange only basic necessary facts. Anything you say or do can be used against you at a later time. Discussing fault or injuries may be misinterpreted and used against you further into the case. Don't speak to the other driver's insurance company. They do not represent you and they do not have your interests at heart. Anything you say to them can be used against you to limit their payout or deny liability entirely. Don't give a recorded statement without first conferring with your attorney. Anything you say can be used against you later in the lawsuit. If you admit fault or state something that is untrue, you will hurt your chances later to earn the recovery you deserve. Don't self-treat your injuries. Above everything else, your health is the most important. Without proper medical care and medical documentation, insurers will argue that your injuries are not sincere or that they do not rise to the level of requiring adequate payment. Insurers might even say that your injuries are unrelated to the crash if proper medical documentation is not secure. Don't delay in seeking medical treatment. Some injuries can only be diagnosed within the first few days after an accident. Additionally, insurance companies will often point to gaps in treatment as a reason why a payout is not required or should be less than you deserve. Don't skip your follow-up appointments. It can be hard to remain timely with all of the medical care that is required, including physical therapy. However, any treatments that you miss will be used against you later in the case. Insurance companies and defense attorneys will point to that information to state that you are not serious. Don't repair your vehicle without first documenting the damages. Photos of your damaged car, as well as cost estimates for the repairs, are necessary documents to sustain an auto accident case. These photos and documents prove that the damage to your car is as you state. These photos and documents are necessary pieces of evidence for proving that your stated damages are correct. Don't accept cash or a quick settlement at the scene of the accident. These offers, although sometimes generous, almost never adequately compensate for your injuries. Take the time to seek proper medical care and speak with an attorney before accepting any settlement offer. Don't delay reporting the accident to your insurance company. Most insurance policies require notification to your insurance company as soon as the accident has happened. Failure to provide your insurance company with adequate notice can complicate coverage and lead to lesser amounts. Don't assume you are fine because you feel okay initially after the accident. Head, neck, and back injuries often take time to develop and may not be apparent immediately after the accident. Take the time to get checked out and receive the proper medical care. Then, talk to an attorney about pursuing a potential auto accident case. If you found this content helpful, make sure to follow, like, comment, and subscribe to be sure you don't miss out on any further legal tips. Contact Zoll Kranz by calling us or visit us at our website, toledolaw.com, for a free consultation with an experienced Toledo injury lawyer. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.